Labas na lang po kayo dito kapag pag nagbabasbas na. Kasi nag-o-offer sila ng mga scholarship.
And when he entered Jerusalem, the whole city was shaken and asked, "Who is?" Take and eat. This,
Give thanks and give it to them, saying,
drink from it, all of you, for this is my blood of the covenant, which will be shed on behalf of many for the forgiveness of sins. Personal sacrificing love for others.
Thanks be to God.
Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle.
Be our protection against the wicked